As part of our initial floor plans, we want to create what's called a room plan. What you see now is what we traditionally call a floor plan. We've got our various furniture, appliances, fixtures all put in, along with our floors, doors, and windows showing, as well as our walls. So we've kind of got everything planned out here. The other one is called the room plan. Ground level room plan is the one you want to open up. When you open that up, this is what you're going to see. We're going to start out by hiding some things. So the first thing we're going to hide is we're going to hide our elevation marks. So right-clicking, hide in view, category should get rid of all of them. We're also going to hide our property lines. Again, hide in view, category, all the property lines go. Lastly, we have our project lines, or our setback lines. Hide in view, category, all those go away. Now you should not be seeing any furniture. For some reason, one of my cars is still showing, so I'm going to right click on that and hide in view. I'm going to go ahead and pick element or category if you have a lot of things showing. But basically, this is what you should start with. Just your walls, doors, and windows, and pretty much a blank slate. You won't even see your floors. Okay? This is what we're going to start out with to create our room plan. For our room plan, we're going to label what each room is, its square footage, and one dimension of the interior space. We're going to do this in a couple phases. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start back here in what's my master bedroom. I'm going to get, and this is on the architecture menu, the room tool. When I click the room tool, I can go inside and I can see exactly what it's doing by this blue border that it shows me. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and double click where it says room, and I'm going to change this to a bedroom. You're going to notice as I label things, the color will change. And this one I'm going to fill in as the master. Yours will probably actually start out with a number 1 here, but because I've practiced this a few times, mine is starting at different numbers. Don't be thrown off by that. Also, don't be thrown off if my original colors don't match your original colors. So there we go. Now the next thing I would like to do is I would like to create my master bathroom, which is right here. It includes a space that's enclosed. So when I go to do this and I go to put my room in there, you'll notice that I don't have the ability to include all of it. I need this too. I'm not going to tag this little, I don't know what to call it other than a toilet closet by itself. I want it to be part of the master bathroom. So what I have to do is I have to pick one of the walls, or both, and tell it to not be room bounding. Meaning now this area is part of this room. That wall is not considered a room boundary. So as I come in here, now you can see that I have the entire thing. I'm going to set this down, go to modify, and this is going to be a bathroom and master. It may give you warnings because my initial or my numbering areas are the same, and it prefers numbers there, but that's okay. This makes a lot more sense to my overall space. Now, just in continuing around, I have a closet space right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my room tag and put that in there. I'm going to name this WIC, which stands for walk-in closet. Some of you may have seen that on your plans. You can also write out walk-in closet or just closet. And instead of the number, I'm again going to keep consistent and call this master because it's all part of this large master suite. I know some of these are bleeding out in terms of their text and will start to overlap. We will fix that in the future. Okay. Now, one of the things that I have that doesn't need to be numbered or designated is my garage, as I have one. So I'm going to set this down. I'm going to go ahead and change where it says room to garage. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the number and delete it. It's going to have a question mark there until I click off, and then it's just going to show it as blank. Now, if you're not loving the colors that it's choosing, I will show you later on how to create alternate colors. So, additionally, I have some spaces where I cannot tag them. So like, for example, where you have wall openings, okay, if I was to grab room and come into this big area here, it's going to try to include my kitchen, my living room, my foyer, my dining room, all that together, okay, and potentially my back office here, which is not what I want. So I'm going to have to use what are called room separators. These are just simple lines, and I've actually already drawn one here to close off this wall opening. I'm going to do it again to close off the foyer by capping this one. Hit escape. You still have the tool, but it's no longer it's no longer trying to draw off the same line. And now I've enclosed that space. I'm also going to go ahead and come out here and close this space as well. Because I'm going to want my living room to be separate from my hallway, I'm going to close in this wall opening. And I'm going to have to figure out exactly where I want my kitchen to end and my living room to begin. So I have this wall here, and I'm actually going to, from the kitchen, draw up a little bit, hit escape, and draw here over a little bit. You can see I can use my trim and extend to corner to create just that corner there as well. Now this is a hallway here, so again, I'm going to go back to architecture, get my room separator, and cap this off as well. I'm doing these all as I'm doing these all at once. You might find it more beneficial to go through and do these individually. So now I'm going to start to tag the rest of these rooms. If you understand this concept, you might want to go ahead and skip ahead in the video, but to keep it all together as one video, actually, I'm going to make a change. So let me go ahead and I'm going to continue to tag these rooms if you'd like to see the way that I'm doing it. I will start a new video with what happens next. So if you'd like to see that, feel free to end this video and then skip ahead. I'm doing something that some of you might benefit from, in that I am going to go ahead and just tag a bunch of areas and then go in and start changing names. So here, this is going to be my office. Don't need a number. This was my kitchen. Again, don't need a number. This here was the laundry room. Again, no number. I had a walk-in closet here. Actually going to name it, knowing that I have two other walk-in closets that I will have walk-in closet master, walk-in closet 2, and walk-in closet 3. I'm going to call this walk-in closet 4. Again, you might have to have a plan. This right here was a mud room. This one was bathroom. Oop. This is bathroom 4. Again, duplicate number values are fine. This is my foyer. Dining room. And I will continue on with the rest of these rooms here. So I am going to call this one here, sorry, wrong tool, room. Tagging several of these, again, with the plan to come back and rename. Notice also that I'm not tagging hallways. Hallways we're leaving white with no tags. I need to turn this one off as a room boundary because this is all one bathroom. And we're going to tag this as a room. So, back over to here. This would be a bedroom. This would be bedroom 2. This one was going to be a walk-in closet. I'm going to call this one walk-in closet 2. Bathroom. Bathroom 2. So those all match together. Bedroom. Three. Bathroom 3. Oh. Bedroom 4. Sorry, bedroom. I keep making the same mistake. 4. Walk-in closet. And I'm going to go ahead and call this one walk-in closet 4. I believe I will have to go change one of those. And then this one was a linen closet. Or I'm just going to put hall closet. With no number. We'll have to go fix walk-in closet over here. Call this one walk-in closet 3. And that should have everything tagged except for hallways.